Hey guys, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the language settings on your TikTok app. Changing the language settings on your TikTok app will allow all text on the application to be written in your preferred language. So let's get started. So first, let's open TikTok. And on your profile tab, you'll see 3 lines on the right-hand corner. And now scroll down and you will find app language. As you can see, usually the default for your app will be the same as the default for your phone, but you can easily change it through here. So right now I'm just changing it to Bahasa Indonesia and everything is in Bahasa, but then you can go back and change it back to English, and now everything is back to English. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope I helped you. For more videos like this one, make sure to press the red button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video also. If you have any comments, feel free to list them down below and I will happily answer them for you. Thank you and goodbye!